This 2025 Palomino Columbus 388 FKH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Palomino is 42 feet 10 inches in length and features a taupe interior, sleeps 6, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, LP detector, external shower, refrigerator, water heater, leveling jacks, air conditioning, oven, auxiliary battery, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, couples coach, front kitchen, mid-living area, rear bath, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Palomino Columbus 388 FKH is 14,414 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.